Hi, welcome to the Burlington County Animal Shelter. Today I have my friend Coco. Now Coco is 10 years old. You would never believe it because she has such a spark in her step. She's a big girl, she's about 77 pounds. Now Coco is a very friendly dog. She loves people. We found out she is housebroken and she knows basic commands. She knows sit, paw, come, stay, drop it, and she takes her treats very gently. She's very good on the leash, so she's a great dog if you want to go out and have a walk with. She's very affectionate, but at the same time, she can be very playful. So she's one of those dogs you can go out and have some fun with, and then she likes to crash and lay on the couch and enjoy her evening. We also found out that Coco is great with kids, but she does prefer to be the only pet in the house. So if you want to come meet a wonderful senior girl with a lot of spunk to her step, come meet Coco. Thank you, Davis Honda, for featuring our Coco as Pet of the Month.